Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can get ads on Nextdoor. So you can see about the advertising your business on Nextdoor. If your target customers live locally within 30 miles of your business, you can access our advertising tools directly from your business profile. So if we press the get started today, which is the link to the advertising tools, and here's a help center on how you can create an ad. Create an ad with Nextdoor ad subscriptions, Nextdoor ad formats for small businesses. So let's press on that. And these are different ways for you. You can increase website visits, promote a seller discount, or get more messages. To increase visits to your website, you will create an image-based ad with a brief description and a call to action. You'll also provide a website link, your website or Nextdoor business page that you want neighbors to be routed to when they click on your ad. You're allowed smaller than 1 megabyte, JPEG or PNG, and 1200 pixel by 1200 pixel with the aspect ratio 1:1. If you want to sell or promote, you can have the shop now message, call or email, which allows you neighbors to message you directly, call you or email you directly as well. This is again smaller than 1 megabyte, JPEG or PNG, and 1200 pixels by 600 pixels this time. If you want to get more messages, you create a text-based ad prompting neighbors to message you directly on Nextdoor with questions that you provide. You can active up to 10 unique questions, but the 3 questions at random will be selected to display in your ad spot each time it is shown. While we provide default question options for better performance, we strongly suggest you type some custom questions that match more closely with your business. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.